Hey, good morning everybody. Just want to show you a little vacuum test on this Ross LDM 2. We're holding about 25 inches right now, and you can see our valve is closed. Our vacuum pump's a little old, so it takes a little bit to get up to 28 inches. But the important thing is the vacuum is remaining stable. The sight glasses are new. We've left the paper on this one. There's an extra set of seals under here, you see. It's running smooth, quiet. Motor is explosion proof. Obviously the switch gear is not. We had that little switch on just for your power on and off switch. Of course, your variable speed right here. And once again, the vacuum remaining stable. We have lots of mixers in our stock, as well as everything in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And thanks for joining us for this video today.